Alright, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Hey y'all, wow. I never say that. I'm like, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Anyway, so this is after I finish messing with my hair. This is take 2 of this video only because I filmed this before and I got so excited that I started talking so fast, and I was looking at the footage, I was like, what? Like, I know I talk fast, but I was like, blah, blah, blah. So I'm going to try to slow it down so it's a little bit easier to understand when I'm talking. And let's talk about my Ulta haul. So this is my Ulta haul, obviously, if you've seen from the title. I picked up just a few things, so I'm just going to go through them and show you what they are. There's really not that many, so this won't be a long video, but I still wanted to share it with you. The first one is the Ulta Beauty Advanced Cleansing Rotating Face Cleansing Brush Heads. These are the replacement brush heads. So I did a video on 3 exfoliators a while ago, and these brush heads, gosh, I can't talk, are for that cleansing brush. Now you do have, these are not as high-end as a Clarisonic or another type of brush, and you'll see that. Let me see if I can take them out of the box. They're not nearly as high-end, but they are still effective. I'm not sure how often. I'm not gonna be able to get that open. Oh, maybe I can actually. I just messed with it. So, anyways. So these brush heads are not nearly as nice as a Clarisonic. They're not going to last as long. I don't know how often you're supposed to replace a Clarisonic brush head. Ooh, but those are really, really soft. But they look just like this. I mean, they look similar, but obviously they're not as high-end as that. And this replacement pack was $8 for both. And you do have to replace these every 3 months. And that is what the box says. Oops, I just kicked my tripod. I'm going to attempt to put this back in the box so I can show you the box without losing these and having Kenzie find one and treat it like her new toy. Okay, so it says you replace blah 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 every 3 months. So yeah. Again, there's 2 replacement brush heads as we come back into focus. I think we're back in focus. No, we're not. Okay. Yeah, so this is $8 for the both of these. The second thing I got is a Catrice Prime and Fine Dewy Glow Fixing Spray. It says prepares the skin, improves makeup wear, refreshes complexion. And this does seem to have some kind of like powder in it that's like glowy or shimmery. I don't know, like not glittery, but like there's something in there, and it does say shake well before use. But I got this because Talayla raves about it and she has dry skin. And going into the fall and the winter time, I will notice, because like in Nebraska you get really hot and you can get really, really cold. And it was humid this summer and I was oily. But in the winter I will get flakes on my skin because it is so dry. So I kind of got this to combat that when I'm wearing my makeup, because she said you can wear it over or under. Makes you look really beautiful if you have dry skin. So that's why I picked this up. And this has 1.69 fluid ounces. I'll link it below because I don't remember how much it was, but it's on the more affordable side, Catrice's, but I picked that up too. The next thing I got are some Makeup Revolution palettes, and these are the Emily Edit palettes. And when I bought mine, Ulta was doing a thing where if you bought $15 worth of Makeup Revolution, you got a free palette, so I also have that to show. And I'll show you that one first. Yeah, I'm going to make you wait. So this is the free gift. It was the Revolution Fiercest Fire palette. I do have a swatch video of this coming if it's not already up. But I love this gold, like, detailing around the edge. And these don't have shade names, but they are numbered on the back. I don't know if they're backwards or not, but it goes from 1 to 12. There's 12 different shades. And in the swatch video, you'll see. But these are really nice and pigmented. They're creamy. Yeah, and they're really, really beautiful. Yeah, that's the Fiercest Fire palette. I don't know how much this one's gonna be, but if I find it, I'll link it below. Alright, now for the Emily Edit palettes, I did get the wants and the needs, and you know, at first I didn't even know if I was going to get these or not, but then I started watching videos and all these things, and I was thinking about it, and I was like, Emily's one of your favorite YouTubers. You love her because she doesn't do sponsored videos. I can't stand when YouTubers do a lot of sponsored videos back to back to back. It just bothers me. And she's a really down-to-earth YouTuber, and I just love it. In the back of my mind, I thought, even if you don't use these palettes, they're so affordable. I literally wanted to get them solely to support her because she's incredible and she's amazing. And she's honestly one of the inspirations for my own channel. So anyways, so there's the Needs, which is what I used for my makeup today. I used all three in the book: contour, bronzer, blush, and highlighter. And then I used these bottom 3 shades for my eyes, which are Love, Hope, and Faith. So I used all of those today. I'm still getting used to the palette because I've never used Makeup Revolution, but they seem really good quality, especially for the drugstore. Like, this can beat out some of my CoverGirl palettes. And then the ones. This is the one that I wasn't sure how often I was going to get use out of it. Well, there's like a shadow on the side of my face. Oh well, there's a light, but whatever. Whoa, I looked at it and I'm blind. Anyways, back to the ones. This is a little more colorful of a palette, but like, I watched her video on this and I was like, oh my goodness, it's like, how could you not get it? And I've seen a bunch of really good things about this, and it's, again, not again, but it's got a huge mirror, and the ones has a palette, has a mirror as well. But I was like, my lord. Like, but I love the shade names. I know a lot of people mention this more like in the actual tutorials they do, but like, she was going through the shade names, and I love that, just the names of these, like how they relate to her life and everything. They're amazing. Like Prayer, like I love that she brought her faith into it. I feel like I need to do that more sometimes. Anyways, but like Midwest, I don't live in the Midwest. I think I do, Nebraska. The Cream, Hobby, Grateful, like she's inspired me. I also want to start my own gratitude journal of like things that I'm grateful for, that I'm hopeful for, and my faith and everything. But yeah, this is incredible. It's amazing. But yeah. Anyway, so yeah, those are the things I got from Ulta. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, especially if you want to see more videos like this. If you want to see more videos from this channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!